Hi there, welcome to another Easy Sunday Supper. Now today's Easy Sunday Supper is just one pan, ground beef, sweet potatoes, carrots, peppers, corn. It's not only delicious, but it's really good for you. There are things in here that have anti-cancer properties. There are things that will help with your inflammation, will help with your joint pain, will help regulate your blood sugar, help lower your blood pressure, help lower your cholesterol on this one big beautiful pan here. Things in here for your eye health, for your brain health, for your skin, for your joints, and it's all in this one pan. So are you ready? Are you ready to get into it? Here we go. So once your skillet is nice and hot, I'm going to do about a tablespoon of avocado oil. You can also use your extra virgin olive oil here. And to that, I'm going to add one onion that's diced, one orange bell pepper. I have one carrot. I really wanted 2 carrots, but I only had one, so you really kind of want 2 carrots, but that's okay. We'll go with one today. I'm going to just give this a minute. And to that, we're going to add 2 cups of sweet potatoes. This was just one fairly large sweet potato. Now, as you can see, we're going to have 3 orange vegetables in here. And orange vegetables are really good for you. They contain antioxidants and fiber, and this helps with your eye health, your digestion, and your immunity. They also help with skin and bones. Now, also potassium in here, and this is good for your blood pressure. So orange vegetables, very good thing. I'm just going to give these a minute. And now to this, we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. We'll just kind of break that up as we go. And then I did a 90-10 here. And while this is browning, we're going to go ahead and start adding our seasonings here. I have 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon in each onion powder, garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon ground mustard. And now for the important ones. Oregano is an antioxidant which helps protect against cell damage caused by free radicals. And it also helps to be an anti-inflammatory. And then we're going to go in with some cinnamon. Now use your Ceylon cinnamon here, not your Saigon. We're not going for a cinnamon flavor here so much as for the goodness that's in the cinnamon, because this is another antioxidant. I've got 1 teaspoon of my Ceylon cinnamon here. So this is another antioxidant. You know, it's going to help reduce inflammation. It's going to help regulate your blood sugar. It helps to lower your cholesterol and your blood pressure. Ceylon cinnamon is great for blood pressure, and it's also an antimicrobial. And next we have ground ginger. I have a teaspoon of ground ginger here. And ground ginger is another thing that's anti-inflammatory. And it also helps lower your cholesterol and your blood pressure. And ground ginger can help boost your metabolism. And now we have turmeric. I have a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Now, turmeric has curcumin in it, and this is a potent anti-inflammatory compound, and this is going to help reduce pain and swelling from like arthritis, shown to have anti-cancer properties, and this is going to overall help your immunity. So you can add a little crushed red pepper. This is totally up to you if you want just a little heat. And now this is my homemade tomato paste ketchup. If you don't have this, then just use 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. But I have this on hand, so I'm going to put some of that in there. I love how the turmeric makes everything so pretty. And now we got 3 cloves of garlic minced. And of course, we all know that garlic has really good benefits for our health. It has that allicin in it. You want to smash or chop your garlic about 10 minutes before you're going to use it so that allicin can release. Now we're going to add 1 cup of beef stock, and I'm going to just lower my heat and let this simmer. Before I leave you and start to simmer, I almost forgot. I've got 1 cup of frozen corn that we're going to put in here. So now we're just going to simmer 18 to 20 minutes until our sweet potatoes and our carrots are soft. So it looks like we're almost done here. So I'm going to try one of these sweet potatoes, make sure it's done. And it is perfect. I will say we didn't put any salt in there, and I think it needs some salt and pepper. So let's add a little fresh pepper and salt, and then we're going to give it a taste. I'm going to turn this heat off. But what do you think? Let me know what you think about this beautiful, super healthy, super easy 1-pan meal. Now, I think you could just kind of have this with a salad, or you could make some rice and make it like a bowl with your rice on the bottom and this on top. I think this would be a beautiful roll. Now, I'm taking mine to my mama because I want her to have all of the goodness that is in here. So I'm going to take this to her to have to eat on. Super delicious, super healthy, super easy, super good for you. Have a happy Sunday, everybody. And I hope you enjoy this easy Sunday supper. I'll see y'all later. Bye.